Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Toro Matcha. This is their ginger flavored. Now, you have to there's the nutrient panel and there's the ingredients. There are other ones I've tried were okay. So this is sparkling water with natural flavors, Japanese matcha, chlorophyll, and citric acid. So you do have to remember it does contain caffeine, about 60 milligrams. So let's open this one and we'll do a quick taste test. I tried their pineapple and I tried their peach one, so these are on sale. This one is weird. This one has a lot of bitter notes to it. The ginger is very subtle, but it tastes like bitterness. I get a mild green tea taste to it, but a lot of the ginger is missing. Yeah, this is probably not my favorite one. I think the peach one is much better than this one, but alright guys, see more videos.